Dude, are you okay? I don't think the dude's okay. Do you think the dude's okay? I don't think the dude's okay. So Mom and I, we decided to remodel our bedroom in a southern like bayou type style. It took a little while, but since Cupcake got our new room, we figured we should get a new room. So when we were down seeing my sister, we had people come in and redo the house. So I'm going to show you our new bedroom. This is our new bedroom. We decided to sleep apart. We have 2 beds now. A nice wood style themed frames. Pretty slick. We like these lights. Remind us of being camping. And then just in case the dude wants to stop by and take a nap, we have our storage down there and our wall opens up and bed comes down for the dude and he can sleep in our bedroom with us. We really figured we should remodel the rooms more effectively and yet more thematically. Yeah, I don't know why Jen picked that thing on the wall. That was her choice to put an alligator on the wall. I don't get that either. I don't like the curtain Mom picked though. Mom, we may have to change the curtain.
Okay.
Alright. But I do like the new ceiling fan. It's very cool.
I cannot handle the lies any longer.
What?
This is not our bedroom. We're in a Disney resort.
What?
Yeah, we're in a Disney resort because we're in Disney World in Florida.
We're walking around in the minecart ride. We went straight there, which was a good plan. We got 30 minutes at most. Sun. So, yeah, we're in the line. It's actually trucking along. We literally have not stopped moving since we got here, so all these cool things to look at we're not seeing. I didn't think I'd want to stand in line longer. Here we go, dude. Come on, man. What do you think, Cupcakes? How you doing, buddy?
I'm gonna be sick.
How's your pineapple whip? Dude, how's it going, man?
Yeah.
What?
Apparently it's so delicious you can't pour more.
What's going on there, bud? Breathe.
So hot, I need
Breathe. We're waiting on Buzz Lightyear, right?
I'm not.
Yeah, you are.
I don't want to see him. I'm just standing here.
You're just standing here?
Because the dude wants to see him, but I don't.
Wants to see Buzz Lightyear. Toys don't need water. Stay in your line and take more guests, right?
Yeah.
That's the plan. Mom's gonna tell him. You have been designated for a space mission. Your mission is tell the toy he does not need water. Somewhere on there, Mom and the dude. See if you can help me find your mom.
They're right there.
Dude. See?
The dude's wearing a horse seatbelt.
He's wearing a horse seatbelt, is he?
Next time. See?
I don't see a horse. Where did they go? There's a little kid. It's a weird looking little kid.
Horse seatbelt. See? Wearing a horse seatbelt.
Yeah, he's got a flail. He's got a flail. That's pretty awesome.
And he has a horse seatbelt.
And a horse seatbelt. Big Thunder Mountain, which is the best ride ever. And Cupcake and I just got off of Splash Mountain, which was exceptional. Nice work, dude.
Are we done? No, not done. Hold on.
Dude, are you okay? I don't think the dude's okay. Do you think the dude's okay? I don't think the dude's okay. We just went on the Splash Mountain. All four of us. The dude went on it. He's totally awesome for doing that. And Mom is...
As you remember from Hawaii, I'm so attractive.
And you're really wet. Yeah, but you've got Splash Mountain water, which is like super toxic.
Yeah.
Oh, and Cupcake got it good. And the dude,
Totally
you did good, dude.
From the waist down.
You did good. On your butt. And we have a special thing tonight we're going to go see. So. We got stuff to do. We're in the land of tomorrow. Are we in the land of tomorrow?
It's the perfect vehicle for people watching. So keep your eyes peeled.
Oh, it's people watching time. So, as you can see, the castle is behind us, and we're eating our dessert buffet.
Dessert.
That's my mound. There's Mom's mound.
My
That's
two mounds.
our champagne.
My two mounds.
And dude's got ice cream going and another mound. Cupcake's already started eating her mound.
Yeah. I didn't want to wait.
Didn't want to wait. But there we go, back there. That's where we watch the fireworks after we eat all our chocolate.
visiting this land of tomorrow.
So we are on the People Mover. We just
The
watched.
People Mover is the perfect vehicle for people watching. So keep your eyes peeled. You never know who you might see.
So I have to give these speeches every so often. But we're on the People Mover because we just watched the fireworks.
Coming up, Stitch's Great Escape. As a security agent for the Galactic Federation.
And we are decided to go on the People Mover. Mom actually thought of this idea. It's a wonderful idea. We get to go through it at nighttime. Right, Mom?
That's right. Instead of trying to
Your mission is to
crush
keep
it with
Experiment 626, the biggest little mischief maker in the galaxy, under control. I don't think so.
What?
Anyway, instead of being in the crush of 1,000 people, we decided to do this instead.
Yep. Is this fun or what?
Yeah, I like the People Mover because the dude is too scared of roller coasters.
Throughout Walt Disney World.
It's Progress City.
That's the future. That's like the year 2000.
There's words.